Unlock the secrets of passive income with these 8 proven streams that can transform your financial future. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of earning money while you sleep? Look no further. In this captivating video, we unveil the secrets of passive income streams that have the power to transform your financial future. Prepare to be amazed as we delve into the world of endless possibilities and show you proven strategies for creating multiple streams of passive income. In our highly anticipated video titled Unlock the Secrets of Passive Income, 8 proven streams that can transform your financial future, we leave no stone unturned. Our expert hosts guide you through the fundamental principles of passive income and unveil the game-changing strategies that can help you achieve financial freedom. Join us on this passive income journey as we explore 8 diverse and reliable passive income streams that stand the test of time. From real estate investments to stock market dividends, affiliate marketing to e-commerce ventures, we've got you covered. Our engaging content keeps you hooked from start to finish, providing valuable insights and actionable tips that you can implement right away. Why waste another minute working tirelessly for a single source of income when you can leverage these passive income streams to unlock the life you've always imagined? Now is the time to break free from traditional, limited earning methods and embrace the boundless potential of passive income. With determination and the knowledge gained from our video, you'll have the tools to create financial security and generate income effortlessly. Our carefully crafted video reveals the secrets that successful entrepreneurs and investors have used to build wealth and achieve financial independence. Don't miss out on this life-changing opportunity to learn how to make money work for you rather than the other way around. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that play button now and get ready to embark on an exhilarating journey towards a brighter financial future. Remember, the key to unlocking the secrets of passive income lies in your hands. Hey there, do you dream of building wealth and achieving financial independence? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we will unlock the secrets of passive income and reveal 8 proven streams that can transform your financial future. So let's get started. Stream number 1, rental properties. Investing in real estate can generate a steady monthly income while your property appreciates in value over time. Stream number 2, dividend stocks. By investing in solid dividend-paying stocks, you'll receive regular payouts without lifting a finger. Stream number 3, peer-to-peer lending. With P2P lending platforms, you can lend money to others and earn interest as they repay you. Stream number 4, affiliate marketing. Promote products or services online and earn a commission whenever someone makes a purchase through your unique link. Stream number 5, digital products. Create and sell ebooks, online courses, or software to generate passive income from your expertise. Stream number 6, YouTube ads. Monetize your YouTube channel by allowing ads to play before, during, or after your videos. Stream number 7, royalties. If you're a talented musician, writer, or inventor, you can earn passive income from royalties every time your work is used or sold. Stream number 8, dividend ETFs. Invest in dividend-focused exchange-traded funds to gain exposure to a diversified portfolio of income-generating assets. By diversifying your passive income streams, you can achieve financial freedom and build a future you've always dreamed of. So, what are you waiting for? Start taking action today by exploring these proven streams of passive income. Remember, it's never too late to secure your financial future. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel Passive Income Journey 777 for more valuable content like this. See you on the next video.